Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the comments feature available in Power BI service. So let's start. I've got a Power BI file open here with me, which I've created. And what we'll do is we'll just publish. So I'm logged in as on a separate ID, and what we will do is we'll just publish it. So once I've published this file, I will, and if I'm not happy, let's say I'm not happy with the number, I'll ask one of my other team members to have a look at some numbers for me. So we'll just wait for this file to get uploaded. So you can see we've got success here. So what I'll do is I'll go to the Power BI side and go to my workspaces and my workspace, and I'll go to reports. And I've got this report, which is the same report I've published, add comments, and I'll open it up here. Now what I've done is I've created another separate user called Power BI developer, and I've got the email open, and he's, let's say he's the guy who develops the reports for me. So what I could do is, let's say this tax number looks dodgy to me or I'm not happy about it. So I could select this, go here and say add a comment. And then I could say, and let's say his name is Ramesh, or his. So I could actually select that, or I could just say, if I remember the name, and then I could say this tax number looks incorrect. And I could post this comment, and now this comment has been posted. So when Ramesh logs in, he would essentially see this comment. And he will also get a mail. So let's just wait here and let me just refresh this. So we'll wait for a while. It doesn't take very long, but it might take some time for the notification to come. And it's taken less than a minute, and you can see I've got a comment. It says you were mentioned in a comment, and I can click on this, and it says so Ramesh can actually and you can see this is the comment that's also sent to him, and Ramesh can actually click on this, and it will open the Power BI for him, and it will also tell him that, hey, there has been a comment, so do you want to have a look at it? And then this guy could actually go and make some changes, or could liaise with me to make changes to the Power BI dashboard. So this is a very powerful feature where teams could collaborate and discuss numbers or post things, and this could stay there in the history of comments. So you could probably go and look at what changes were made or what happened over a period of time. And this is also a great place for developers to potentially collaborate with business users. So I found this feature very interesting. I'm very excited about it. I thought I'd bring it over to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you get some value out of it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.